Miss Mackenzie Berry. Together, they would like to deliver a special holiday message for all UT basketball fans. Please welcome Einstein and Mackenzie to the floor.
Well, thank you, everybody. I have brought a little star to my show today, and she is an African gray parrot. They are the best wizards in all the animal world. So, therefore, I'm going to go ahead and let her introduce herself today. Can you say hi? Can you be a little more polite? Okay. Can you be a little more louder? Can you tell me what your name is? It's Einstein, because she is so smart. Now, Einstein here, we're so excited to get here that we're kind of getting down in the car and we're getting a little crazy. We'll get you off for you guys. She is proud to be from Tennessee. Were we having a fiesta? Yeah, we were. We came up with our little version of Rocky Top for you guys. If you want to hear it, you can join in if you want to. Do you need to clear your throat? There we go. How about we go ahead and do our Rocky Top? Bam, 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 It takes a lot of dedication and a lot of hard work, to get what these guys have gotten. Well, Einstein knows all about training. Right before shows, she has her own little type of workout. Guess she doesn't touch that at home too. You want to show everybody how to work out? Want to work out? Good, work out. Well, I don't think I can get any closer. Well, when she does work out, she does get very thirsty, and she would like to have a drink. Beer. I don't know, but is that a good idea, you drinking beer while you're training? No, I think we should stick with water. There we go. So you're drinking beer and training, you're going to get dizzy and fall down. And confused. Can you fall down? There we go. A little slap there at the end. Now, you students are some of the funnest things to do while you're visiting Knoxville. We also got lots of other things, such as the beautiful art museum, a very beautiful painting, and we got lots of nice concerts that you can go to if you like to get down. Get down? Go ahead, get down. Yeah, we like to get down at these concerts. There's also a lot of local restaurants that you can go and get something tasty. Oh, that does sound good, Einstein. But last but not least, there's always this local Knoxville Zoo post where Einstein lives. Right now is the perfect time to visit because it's Human Discount Day. So admissions are half off. Do you agree? Yeah, it's lots of fun. And you can come and see animals such as the chimpanzee. You do a chimpanzee? Einstein, what are you? You're a really bad word for me tonight. Can you do maybe the red book? There we go. And how about maybe some songbirds? What about a big cat? There we go. Not those kind of cats, folks. We got lots of tigers and lions from the jungle. There we go, little growl for you. That's better. Well, Einstein, maybe some people are there that can swing by and say hi to your best friend, the skunk. The skunk? Stinker? Well, that's not very nice. It's kind of evil. Are you being evil? Well, Einstein, you really probably should be a little better with life because it's Merry Christmas time. Santa Claus is coming. So you gotta be a good girl. Yeah, you can't be a bad bird. And remember last year when Santa Claus came down the chimney and he screamed. Yeah, you startled him and he bumped his head and got hurt. Did you make Santa Claus cry like a baby? That's right. You even gave that clumsy Santa Claus some advice. He said you gotta get something to keep you safe. Some outside. Now, even though you have Mr. Santa Claus bumping his head and falling down, he still gave you a very special present of 5-pound peanuts. She loves those peanuts, folks. In fact, you ate the whole thing, and it made you too. That's just gross. Yeah, that's right. Well, I don't believe it, Einstein. I think you've been a very good parent this year, just to show these people just how sweet you are. Can you blow everyone a kiss? And what would you like to tell all these nice people? She loves you guys. And what do you say when it's time to go? Goodbye. What do y'all think of Einstein? Well, from me and Einstein, everyone at Knoxville Zoo, all of you have a very Merry Christmas and a safe and happy holiday. Hope to see you guys soon at the zoo.